Fiat 600. Today I will show you the charging cable and where to plug it into the car. First, let's take a look at the charging cable. You can usually find it in the trunk. Open the trunk, and the cable is typically stored here. Now let's move to the charging port. On this car, it is located in the same place where you would normally refuel a regular car. Open the flap and you will see the charging port. Here you can also find an information label. It shows how to correctly connect and disconnect the charging cable and explains the LED indicators, whether the car is ready, charging, or if there is an error. In simple terms, it's a quick guide for the driver right on the charging flap. This vehicle supports both AC and DC charging. The upper connector is used for standard AC charging, also known as slow or home charging. The lower part is for DC fast charging, which allows the battery to charge much faster at public charging stations. Always make sure the connector is fully inserted and locked before charging, and never disconnect the cable while charging is active unless you stop the session first. And that's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real workshop videos.